Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. And one of the things I'm asked a lot is, do I need a police report to file a personal injury claim in Connecticut? And the answer to that is no. No, you do not need a police report. Now, obviously, police reports are helpful because, the police officer comes out, maybe they take pictures, they draw some diagrams, maybe they get some statements, but it is not necessary to file a claim. And in fact, we've had many cases where we've gotten very good results where there haven't been a police report. Sometimes calling the police isn't necessary because it's dangerous. Sometimes you can wait for a long period of time for the police to come out. Maybe you've taken pictures, you've exchanged insurance information, and also like the property damage itself doesn't lie. Are things better with a police report? Yes, no question, but it is not necessary to file a claim or proceed with a case in Connecticut. And in fact, we've done that a number of times and gotten very good results. So, don't worry if you haven't called the police, if you've been in a car accident. It doesn't mean anything for your case civilly. And also know that even if this is something that is strange to any sort of non-lawyer, that even if the police did come out and they gave a ticket to the person who caused the accident, that ticket is never admissible in a court of law. I mean, really rarely admissible, but let's go with never there. So a judge or a jury would never even find out if the police faulted or didn't fault someone because it's irrelevant to the case. So if you have any questions, you can give me a call, 877-CTF-WINS.